Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Got pumpkin and
ocean.
Okay, so here we go. Stand over here with me.
I'm ready for my ocean to blow up.
So, we're ready? We're going to count down. Ready?
Yeah.
3,
2,
1,
go.
Let's get yours back over here.
Goodbye, ocean.
Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, yours is going fast.
I want to be next to it.
You want to be? No, you don't. You got covered in green goop last time.
No, it was red. It was red, remember?
I'm just glad I got. Oh, it's red. Okay. I'm just glad I got the tripod this time, so I don't jump. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Goodbye, oceans. I mean, that's so.
Oh my word!
That's the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
I think we need to wash your truck now.
That was cool. Okay, here comes mine.
Okay, goodbye, pumpkin. Goodbye.
That was cool. It tumbled. That was really cool.
Bye,
Oh my gosh.
Charlie the pumpkin.
Charlie the pumpkin. Here it goes.
Yeah, what
It's
did
getting
you
bigger. Oh, ew. Oh, right out of its mouth, too. That was good. Oh, that's
At
cool.
least better than my other two, which exploded for the eyes.
That is really neat. All right, that is the baking soda and vinegar exploding pumpkins or whatever you want experiment. So that is really cool.
Mine? I can't.
You.
It's right where the baking soda was.
Yeah. Well, that's going to be where it's highest concentrated. Mine is like just oozing everywhere.
I stopped mine.
Yeah.
I'm going to squirt it at you.
No, don't squirt it at me.
Really?
No.
Can I make mine explode?
No, it's already exploded.
No, but will it explode since I'm holding it?
No. Oh, it might. Careful. I can hear it.
It wants to. I might get my new shoes very good.
Mine is still. Ew, there comes the napkin. That's gross.
I'm going to take off my shoes. I'd rather.
Did you see that? The napkin?
Yeah.
The napkin came out of its mouth. That was gross.
I'd rather have dirty socks than dirty shoes.
Okay, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make it explode again.
Okay. I don't think you're going to be able to hold it. Is it just a small hole?
Yeah, it's just that one hole.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's done for, kiddo.
Aw.
Yep. Well, we've already done 6, so.
Oh, I found a cut. Did you get that on video?
Yes. Yes, it's still recording. All right. We got a mess to clean up.
Nope.
Nope. You. Ah!
Yeah, my ocean's still alive.
Your ocean's still alive.
I mean,
That's pretty cool.
Stop.
Yep. All right.